If anyone is working on Cypress, no, so you must have done the setup, right? Cypress setup. So we have done manually, right? npm install Cypress. So that procedure we will see through ChatGPT. How the ChatGPT is going to generate. I will search. I will provide the Cypress setup in ChatGPT search engine. How the ChatGPT will react and provide us the suggestions or results. Okay, we will review them from here. Cypress setup from scratch with JavaScript. I am giving the JavaScript. Okay. Cypress setup from scratch with the JavaScript. So install, see, it is giving project structure. So I can tell you, see, because I'm working with Cypress, right? So we can easily what and all things to be connected. So we will review it. This ChatGPT, what the ChatGPT is suggesting, then we can implement from here. So this is also one advantage. ChatGPT is providing suggestions, right? This is also one advantage. See, even continuous integration, it is generating the script. Cypress documentation is giving Cypress. It is giving for Cypress everything. See, from Cypress, no. So install Node.js and npm. This is from here. Project setup, no. Make directory. Okay. Okay. Change directory. Project scope. So npm init y means setup. They are doing the setup. npm install Cypress -hyphen save dev. So npx Cypress. After installing, we are opening it. So Cypress folder, we can see cypress.json file. See, and then they are adding directly the first test. Create a new first test. Okay, this is the format is correct. And nps Cypress one they are giving JSON format and the okay, view code they are providing. Good. So, but still we need to make some changes. So this is I'm not saying uh, this is completely correct, but we have so this is our we can take it as a suggestion or so 50-60% ChatGPT is giving, but still we need to do some other things here. But still it is okay. The ChatGPT is suggesting from here. You can see you are getting the links. ChatGPT, Cypress, GitHub, best practices, everything we can get it from here. Nice. Thank you.